I'm Chief Mario Agello with the Palm Bay Police Department, here in the city of Palm Bay. We believe implementation of the school speed zone systems will be a great tool to slow drivers down and bring awareness to the school zones here in Palm Bay. The cameras are located within the school zones at Discovery Elementary, Jupiter Elementary, Krista McCullough Elementary, Lockmar Elementary, Pineapple Cove Classical Academy at Lockmar, Riviera Elementary, Palm Bay Academy Charter School, Palm Bay Elementary, Palm Bay Academy Middle, Southwest Middle, John F. Turner Elementary, Odyssey Charter Junior and Senior, Royal Palm Charter, Columbia Elementary, and Westside Elementary School. The cameras are installed within the school zone and detect the speed of vehicles traveling through the school zone with radar or laser speed detection equipment. When a vehicle is traveling more than 10 miles per hour through the school zones, there are signs prior to entering the school zone advising drivers that they are entering a photo enforced location. The cameras are in use 30 minutes prior to the start of the school, through the school day, and 30 minutes after the end of school. Speed enforcement is not monitored outside of school hours, on holidays, or on weekends. Drivers who receive a penalty must be traveling more than 10 miles per hour over the posted speed limit. The registered owner of the vehicle will receive a $100 civil violation in the mail. The violation does not have points and will not affect the violator's insurance. Violations may be paid online, by phone, or by mail. Violators may also elect a hearing to dispute the violation, or they may fill out a sworn affidavit stating who the driver was if they were not the driver. If the violator takes no action, the violation is transferred to the county court.